Let's get it. Honestly, let's just get it, bro. Something like this. Yep, there's the rotation. Okay, so let's see this. Okay. Oh, sorry. So we have rotation right here. Let's turn off storm tracks real quick. You can see the rotation right here. The rotation is not going mental right now. Ayo, Brayden! What's good? Damn, Brayden's watching me. Fuck. So we have. Hold up. Let me add layers on top of this. So we have the super res velocity. Earth, Texas. Spring Lake, Texas. Hart, Texas. Nazarene, Texas. I would watch out for the storm. That's some sick stuff. What's up? Oh, what's up, Brayden? That's some sick stuff, isn't it? Yes, sir. Hold up. I'm streaming weather right now, bro. How'd you even... Did this just pop up on your page? Okay. Earth, Spring Lake, all of this. This right here is the supercell. Okay, so this is the developing supercell right here. So how you know it's tornadic? Let me teach you some stuff. So this is just straight right now. The line is straight. When the line of purple and red starts to kind of clip like a 6, it'll start to rotate in and in until eventually it'll drop down a tornado. Let's go look at some models real quick. Supercells are the... What about... Did you get some clout? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Brain's about to give me some clout. Okay, let's look at the radar scope real quick. How do you put this in light mode? We got 2 viewers. We about to get... Okay, bet, Brady. Okay, so we kind of got that clip right here. We kind of got that clip starting to develop right here. Let's look at the rotation, the base velocity on this. So you see the light red's pushing right towards it. The dark red's pushing towards it. The light red's going this way, And then right here is where the tornado would drop. So dark reds moving towards, light reds, almost pinks moving away. Right here is where you get your tornado. Pretty simple, if you ask me. Let's go to a different radar, camo. And we got some pretty decent rotation still, even on the other radar. What? Chat, do you see this? This is a tornado signature. I don't know if that's just a weird. That is a tornado signature. That's definitely a tornado signature. Let's go to the correlation coefficient to see. Nothing really right here. Actually, there is a weird greenish thing right here. Green and red thing right here. Okay, so yeah, Braden, I know, right? But you're being sarcastic, aren't you? Okay, so I'll show you some pictures of the actual tornadoes then, Braden. No, Rachel, chill out. So right here is where we got the tornado. Okay, I'll show you what to look at in a tornado. Okay, you see the reds moving towards, the green moving towards, and that little spot right here is where you'd see that tornado at, like right in that circle right there. God, right there is where you would see that little tornado right now, just a little one. So like I was saying, reds towards the radar, greens towards the radar. Right there, that's where you would see potentially a small tornado right now. Potentially. Rachel, yeah, I've been studying this for like a year and a half now. But okay, let's go ahead and look at some. Let's look at some cities or counties potentially impacted by this. Hartley, Channing. I would take your proper precautions right now. Let's go ahead and get some storm tracks on this. This is tornadic. Okay, I think we've got a tornado warning on this. West Hartley. Get into your basements. And let's see. Tracking. Right here is where the storm track is. Between Hartley and Deerheart. Right here is where you would see that storm track going. We've potentially got a tornado on the ground right now. Okay. Hartley, Channing, you might get the edge of this, but Hartley, West Hartley, Northwest Hartley, I would really keep an eye on this. Let's see the rotation. Yep, here's the tornado. I'm gonna kill y'all. Okay, reds. Hold up. Let me get this focused a little bit. Okay. Get the whole school in here. No, this is not in Georgia. I got some. Oh my god, the whole school is turning up in here. Okay, we've got reds moving reds moving in, greens moving in, and here's where you would have the tornado. Right there. So here's the storm track right here on my mouse arrow. So it would be moving right into the city of Hartley. Right into the city of Hartley. Right now. This is a potentially dangerous situation we have unfolding in the Texas Panhandle right now. Eventually moving into the Oklahoma City metro. Brody, I swear to God. And we've got tornado right here. Tornado right here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at some storm tracks on this. Okay, we've got a tornado right here too. Okay, right here. This is a supercell, like I was telling Braden earlier. Hooking up. It's hooking right there. You see the little hook echo forming right here? That's where it's potentially developing. Let's go ahead and get some time of arrival. From the city of Nazareth, this is heading straight into your direction. Here's the major storm. Right in the middle of Dimmitt and Nazareth. There is potentially a dangerous situation unfolding in the Texas Panhandle right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the top one right here. Let's go ahead and look at the top one right here. Do we have any rotation? Rotation. Here, let's go back to the other radar. Let's go to this one. Oh, yep, here it is. Okay, Rachel. So we got reds moving towards circles right where the tornado would be. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the correlation coefficient real quick. We've got a tornado on the ground. Right there. Okay, so let's look at the digital, vertical, and integrated liquids. Okay, yep. There's a lot of rainfall right there. A lot of it indicates this thing probably has a massive hail core too. Classic reflectivity. Okay, that's just the radar. Where is the hail? Let's look at it's weaken. The rotation's weakening a little bit. Share this. Okay, okay, we've got tornado right there. Okay. Yes, this is a hobby, Rachel. I'm covering weather. Yep. And here's another tornado right here. Blue's moving right here. Hold up. Let me re-diagram that. Blues moving towards, greens moving away. There's the tornado where the purples and blues and greens all meet. That's where the tornado is. If you're in the city of Nazareth or Dimmitt, take your proper precautions. I don't know why there's not a tornado warning on this. Still severe thunderstorm warning for some stupid reason. But I would go ahead and take your precautions. Let's turn off storm tracks real quick so I can take a better look. Where's the tornado? There's where that rotation is. But I'm taking a look at this one. That might be a big tornado. Just maybe. Let's go ahead and change radars. Let's go to KLBB. Oh yeah, that's a tornado. Look at the Bible. Yeah, I guess, Rachel. Okay. Okay, we got red tornado. So, let's see if I can spot any more rotation areas of rotation. Areas of rotation. Rachel, if there might be one person in here that is from Texas. You never know if someone hops in from Texas and it's like, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? You know? Yeah. Okay. So from the city, see this Nazareth. That's what I'm talking about. Got the tornado right in here. Let's see if we got a debris ball yet. Where's the correlation coefficient? Okay. We've got a little something popping up right here. If you start to see like blues popping up on the radar, that's how you know debris is getting lofted like thousands of feet up in the air. Miss Pulaski, who's that? I'm freaking the new science teacher. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we got super res velocity. Okay, let's go to different radars. Let's go to gamma radar. Dude, we've got, oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. We've got potentially a tornado right here. Where all these colors collide. That right there is a tornado. Let's get a storm track on this. Moving right into the city of Hartley. Right about, I would have to guess, I said the science kid. Nice. I would have to make an educated guess. This will be moving into the city of Hartley in about 15-20 minutes. That's a good educated guess. But if you're in the city of Hartley, please take your proper precautions right now. I don't think there's much time to wait. So, hold up. Let me go take a look at something real quick. Let's see if we have any more damage reports on Twitter. Tornado watch. Tornado watch. Okay, we don't really got nothing right now. We could be getting stuff though. Something could be dropping in a matter of moments. Okay, so let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. I'm gonna tell you what's forecasted for today. Last time I saw a moderate risk was in Georgia and Easter Sunday last year. And to give you an example of what happened on that outbreak, here's a tornado that happened in that outbreak. That's a tornado right there. Happened last year when there was a moderate. If there's a moderate risk like that, you probably see this 3 times a year. 3 times a year? Yeah, that's a good guess. Yeah, 3 times a year. And if you see a 15% risk like this, you don't see many of those in like maybe you see like 6 of those in 20 years. You don't really see much of this. You've got a 30% chance to see winds greater than like 65 miles per hour. You've got 30% chance to see winds over or hail over 2 inches in diameter. Oh, 2-inch diameter or larger. We've got all of the key components. Let me pull up some stuff real quick. Where's the models? Let's go to Supercell Composite. Let's look. Oh, you see that? Got 29. Okay, let me explain to you what this means. So we've got. Okay, you're probably thinking, Hunter, what are all these squiggly lines? Okay, I can explain to you that in a heartbeat. It's not that. It's not that hard to explain. So basically, it's like a weather balloon getting launched into the atmosphere and seeing where it goes in the atmosphere. Do you see that twirl in the atmosphere? So the weather balloon just goes up, then all of a sudden twists and then turns, and that creates a spin in the atmosphere. Also, there's a low ground, there's a low freaking cloud base. There's also very low cloud base today. Normally, these cloud bases right here are up all the way over here. So, it's not much. It's weird when you see that the things are like that. I don't see that often. There has to be a tornado warning right there. Come on, guys. Do better, National Weather Service. Please. Do better. Do better, National. Do better. Y'all suck. Y'all suck at life, bro. What is this? What is that? Do better, bro. Do better. Come on, guys. Y'all have to call that a tornado.